Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, M YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well. The ViVO S15 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8100, which is paired with what ViVO calls a gaming grade cooling system that drops the chipset temperature by 1.2 degrees Celsius. There is also an additional chip, the Gaming Graphics Core Pro, to help out the Mali G610MC6 GPU run games at a consistent frame rate. The phone has a 6.56 AMOLED display, using Samsung E5 emissive materials, with 1080 x 2376 px resolution, 19.89. It is very bright, peaking at 1500 nits, and promises perfect color calibration from the factory plus HDR10+ support. It is a high refresh rate display. 120 Hz. That is suitable for gaming. Normally, the touch sampling runs at 300 Hz, but it can boost to 1000 Hz. Sound is blasted out of the stereo speakers, and for better immersion, there is an X-axis linear motor and 500 presets for the haptic feedback. ViVO built this phone with 360 degrees antenna coverage, including dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas for uninterrupted connection. Moving on to the cameras, the ViVO S15 Pro features the 50 megapixels Sony IMX766V, which is exclusively customized for ViVO. This 1/1.56 sensor with 1.0 micrometers pixels was previously used in the X70 Pro. The main camera has optical image stabilization (OIS) and an f1.9 aperture. Next is the 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera, 116 degrees FOV. This module also doubles as a macro camera, as it can focus up close 2.5 centimeters. Last on the back is a 2 megapixels depth sensor. Flipping over to the front, there is a 32 megapixels selfie camera f2.45. The phone houses a 4500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support. It can hit 70% charge in 18 minutes and 100% in 35 minutes, all the while keeping cool thanks to the highly efficient charge pumps. 98.5%. ViVO's online store in China is now accepting pre-orders for the ViVO S15 Pro. Sales will start on May 27th, Friday next week. You can pick between blue and black colors. The two S15 models come with Originos Ocean based on Android 12. By the way, the base configuration has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. It carries a 3,400 Chinese yuan price tag, that converts to $505 per €480 per 39,000 rupees. You can upgrade to 12 GB of RAM. If you have an extra 300 Chinese yuan to spend, the ViVO S15 chooses the tried and true Snapdragon 870 chipset, specifically a variant ViVO calls Peak Edition. The chip is paired with VMET memory technology, developed in-house, which will make it the fastest Snapdragon 870 yet, claims the company. This one also enjoys the cooling powers of a vapor chamber, which promises an identical 1.2 degrees drop in temperature, like the Pro. This one packs a 120 Hz AMOLED display, 6.62 in size with 1080 x 2400 px resolution, 20:9. This one opts for the older E4 material and isn't as bright, but it can still hit 1300 nits. This one also supports HDR10+ and perfect color calibration from the factory. The main camera on the ViVO S15 features a 64 megapixels sensor, 1/1.72, with an f1.9 aperture and OIS. Next to it is an 8MP ultra-wide camera with 120 degrees FOV, though this one doesn't do macro shots. Anyway, the 2 megapixels depth sensor and 32 megapixels selfie cameras are the same. The phone has the same battery capacity as the Pro, 4500 mAh, but charge power has been pared back to 66W. It can do 0 to 50% in 18 minutes, though it's no slouch. The ViVO S15 is also up for pre-order on ViVO's web store in China, with sales set to kick off on May 27th. 3 memory configurations are available to choose from. The base unit has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage and costs 2,700 Chinese yuan, $400 per €380 per 31,000 rupees. You can double the storage to 256 GB with the 3,000 Chinese yuan option. The top version also goes up to 12 GB of RAM. That one is 3,300 Chinese yuan. By the way, the ViVO S15 is related to the Indian version of the IQ 7 and the IQ Neo 5, but it has a slightly improved main camera, more than enough for you and or usage, not for everyone. Don't you make picture or videos with your phone. Also, if you use a drone or something like that, the 256 Go will be out in a matter of day usages. If it's enough for you, great. It's a mobile phone. It's got 256 GB internal storage. That's more than enough. What are you planning on storing on a 6 inches electronic device that's primary function is to make telephone calls? There are tablets. So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.